Welcome to Tough Top Awnings. Today, we will be replacing a Lippert Solera main patio awning. If your Solera main patio awning looks like this just after a year or two, Tough Top Awnings can help. For this job, you'll need a couple sturdy ladders, a few zip ties, a Phillips head and Robertson head drill bit, a drill, and a can of silicone. All set? Let's get started. Start with the 7/16 socket, your drill, and manually put your awning out about 12 inches. You can also use your power switch to pull the awning out as well. If your awning has a light bar attached to the material, you will need to specify that during ordering so we can make your new replacement material correctly for reinstall later. For those with the LED light bar, be sure to slide out the LED light strip from the light bar attachment on the fabric. After removing the LED strip, you can slide out the light attachment bar off of the fabric. Now secure each side of the upright legs with zip ties to ensure the legs don't extend after removing the roller tube. Now it's time to remove the Robertson head screw that secures the pivot bar to the roller tube on each side. With your helper, unroll the material so it's hanging off the side of your coach. Remove the 3 screws that attach to the end cap of the roller tube. Now with a little wiggle and a little bit of force, you can pop off the end cap. Be sure to check for any screws on the roller tube. These are put there for shipping and you can reinstall with your new material or discard. Now it's time to remove the roller tube from the hanging material. Be sure to remove any set screws securing the material to the coach before sliding out the old material. Now it's time to remove your old material. By sliding it and lifting it over the upright leg, it should slide right off your coach. For the awnings with the light bar, this is the point where we would attach the LED light bar to the new material. Be sure to use a silicone lubricant to ensure easy installation of the new material. Now with your helper, take your time and slide the new material onto the coach. Be cautious to carefully lift the new material over the upright leg. Be sure to use that silicone again on the roller tube to again ease the installation of the roller tube onto the new material. Now line up both attachment points of the material with the channel on the roller tube. Then slide the roller tube the entire way onto the new material. Reinstall your end cap on the roller tube. Be sure to place it in the same position it was when you removed it. Reinstall the 3 screws to secure the end cap to the roller tube. Now with your helper, Roll the roller tube and the new material up into itself all the way to the top before reinstalling the pivot bars from the upright legs into the roller tube end caps on each side. Reinstall the securing screws in the end caps that secure the pivot bar to the end caps. Now it's time to slide that LED light strip back into the attachment bar for those with the optional light bar. Be sure to specify you have one of these light bars before ordering with us, or you will not be able to reuse that light bar. These don't come standard. Now you can remove those zip ties. After all your hard work, deploy your new awning and enjoy the shade. One last step, reinstall the set screws and the fabric on the coach to secure the material to the coach before you hit the road. And there you have it, we're all done. Want to stay connected with us? Find Tough Top Awnings across all these social networks. And of course, visit our website to see all our how-to videos, read our blog, and enjoy an easy online buying experience. Thanks again for watching, and happy RVing.